Alright, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Josh, and today what I've got for you is a Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Black Edition with all your brand new car perks at a very heavily reduced price. Now what I'm going to do is walk you around, show you the actual condition of the vehicle. Sorry, not the condition, the actual features of the vehicle, because this kind of condition you can expect nothing short of spot on. The front end, you've got that really nice Eclipse Cross take on the dynamic shield front end. You've also got that Mitsubishi chrome badging in the middle. The Eclipse Cross also comes with really sharp headlights and a daytime running lamp through the middle. Being the black edition, that whole front grille is blacked out. You've got the fog lights down here and your indicators in the side. You've also got a black front splitter on the front there. Making our way to our first wheel. As you can see, the wheels in the black edition are, well, completely blacked out, and the tires are obviously brand new condition, and contrasting with the paintwork, the black does look absolutely stunning. You've also got the black mirror and the black trim just down the bottom here. Now, being the black edition as well, you've also got the smart key for your keyless entry and ignition. And on the inside, you've got those really nice cross-stitched diamond looking seats. And guys, the whole interior of this vehicle is absolutely beautiful. Eclipse Cross is also built to maximize space in the cabin, so down the bottom, the door trims here do maximize how much space you've got inside the vehicle. The back windows are privacy glass, so I probably recommend you match the front windows with your darkest legal tint. Up the top, you've got the black roof rails, and the black edition also gets that larger rear spoiler, and just underneath there, you've still got your rear wiper and rear washer. Now, on the back, you've also got your color matched rear parking sensors, and when you open it up, on the inside of the vehicle, you've got plenty of storage space, space saver spare, and that cargo blind does keep everything in the back nice and private. Making our way along this side now, the fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, so being the safe side, very well designed, and guys, all the curves and edges of the Eclipse Cross is absolutely incredible, so very aerodynamic design, and personally, I absolutely love the look of these Eclipse Crosses. Look under the bonnet now. What we have is a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre petrol engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars with 7 airbags. Power output is 110 kilowatts with a torque rating of 250 newton meters. Petrol fuel tank holds 63 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of an astounding 7.3 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 863 kilometers from a full tank. Now, just before we head into the inside, something I will point out, in the Eclipse Cross, you do get that 3-point strut brace in the engine bay, just to keep the car nice and stable when you are driving. Look inside the Eclipse Cross now. On the driver's side door, you do get a really nice carbon fiber looking trim around the window controls. Now, all 4 power windows are automatic. Above that is a central locking button and your window lock. On the right hand side here, you've got the toggle to change the angle of your headlights. You've also got your parking sonar button, forward collision mitigation, a couple of blank buttons, and your traction control. Now on the right hand stalk, you've got your automatic headlights and your automatic high beams, as well as your indicator and fog light controls. On the left hand side, you've got your washer and wiper controls, and the wipers being automatic, you can just leave it in auto, the car will decide when it needs them. On the behind the steering wheel, you've got 2 large paddle shifters to help you change gears manually if you need the extra control. You've got all your cruise control and speed limiter settings on the right, and all your media controls on the left. Now, if we have a look at the little pop-up display in the middle, it is designed off Lexus. Now, even though this display is touchscreen and you can use it as a touchscreen, there is also a little touchpad down near your left hand to let you switch through the screens without leaning over. If I put the car into reverse, you also get a nice reverse camera in this, so it does show you the rear bumper if you did want to back up and back right up to something. There is also a red line to warn you when you are getting close. Below here, your climate control, so you can just set the temperature and the car will decide which vents and how to circulate it to maintain that temperature. I've also got your eco button down here, 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket, as well as a little bit of storage. Now the shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive, you can drive it as a normal auto or bump it to the left and drive it in manual mode if you want. The touchpad back here has a few buttons next to it, and if you swipe all the way to the last screen, there is a little tutorial on the gestures. There's 2 cup holders in here, a hard handbrake, and that leather wrap center console. When you open it up, there is a little storage space if some coins or anything you need to store in there, and plenty of storage. Now the back seats, as you can see, they do have a very nice recline if you did want to lean them back a little bit, and even the roof lining on the inside is all black, being a black edition. So very, very nice car to sit in. Taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Eclipse Cross, something I would highly recommend is please take advantage of the glass coat, because in this kind of condition that is going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork and maintain just how incredible this vehicle looks. It's also going to protect it against bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and much more. Other thing I would highly recommend is the Platinum 1 protection plan. It's going to give you an extra 5 years of cover, as well as up to 10 years of Platinum roadside assistance with much more. It is awesome value, and if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance packages and tailor something to suit your needs, which will tailor everything, which will fit everything into your repayments nice and comfortably for you. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us. But before you go, please have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews. Have a read of what people have to say, because you will find that people enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we like to ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. If you have any questions at all, the number once again is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.